subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo is reportedly gearing up to launch the lower variant of last month launched Vivo Y50 smartphone as Vivo Y30. And before the official launch, the upcoming phone has listed on Malaysian e-commerce site Lazada that shows the design and specifications of the smartphone, including pricing details. According to listing, the Vivo Y30 will support a 6.47-inch HD Plus display with a hole punch at the top left corner that will house 8-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone will feature quad camera setup in a squarish module including LED flash. The quad ray cameras will include 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the device will come powered by MediaTek's Helio P35 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The battery capacity of the phone will be 5000 mAh and it will run on Android 10 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone will also feature an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 162.04 by 76.46 by 9.1 mm and it will weight around 197 grams. Now, talking about the pricing. According to Malaysian Lazada site, the Vivo Y30 will be priced at 899 Malaysian ringgits and it will be available in Moonstone White and Dazzle Blue color options. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Vivo Y30 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.